गुड मॉर्निंग, हरे कृष्णा, जय माता दी, सत श्री अकाल, वणक्कम, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. God bless you everyone. Ready for the session? Give me a yo-yo in the session. Come on, yo-yo. Yes. So guys, we are going to start today's session. In today's session we will do lots of questions which are super sure to come in the coming CBSE exam tomorrow. Okay, so let's do all these questions, fortify the exam, and then we are going to get ready for the JEE mains. Can I start? Yes sir, we are ready sir. Let's start sir. Perfect. Good morning, Jai Mata Di, Hare Krishna. So guys, my name is Rishi Singla. I have been teaching maths since last 18 years. Taught and mentored all India rank 1, 4, 7, 9, 6, 102, 114, 27, 81 and many other ranks in different exams. I'm here to teach you maths. In today's session we will do short questions. Let's not waste much of time and let's start solving questions. Yes, everyone sit straight. What you have to do is you have to be your spine should be straight throughout the session. Second thing, you have to solve questions yourself. Okay, you just not wait and watch me solving. No, that is not the right way of attending my session. When you are attending my session, Rishi Singla sir's session, you have to solve questions yourself. Wherever you get stuck, don't worry, I am here, I will help you. Chalo, let's start the session. Jai Mata. Oh, I hope this you know. If you have not subscribed, and a like, subscribe, share, ये सब कर लीजिए. Come on. Okay, first question for today. First question for today. Which chapter? Probability. Chapter name is probability. Read the question carefully. Out of 8 outstanding students of a school, okay, there are 8 outstanding students of a school in which there are 3 boys. Okay, girls are always more outstanding, huh? 5 girls. Very good going, girls. A team of 4 is to be selected. In how many ways this can be done such that probability of selecting 2 boys and 2 girls? We have to find probability of selecting 2 boys and 2 girls. Team of 4 is to be selected. Total work is selecting 4 students. So number of ways in which 4 students can be selected out of 8 are 8C4. Guys, always remember, for selection we use NCR. Number of ways of selecting R students out of N students is NCR. Number of ways of selecting 4 students out of 8 distinct students is 8C4, which comes out to be 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial, which is 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 24. 6 4s are 24. So this is like 20 into 7. What is 20 into 7? No. 6 4s are 24. 10 into 7, 70. Number of sample space is 70. What are favorable ways? Favorable ways. Favorable is we have to select. What we have to select? Pay attention. 2 boys and 2 girls. Favorable selections are selecting 2 boys and 2 girls. How many boys are there? 3 boys. Ways of selecting 2 boys, 3C2. Because after selecting 2 boys, we have to select 2 girls also simultaneously. Hence, ways of selecting 2 girls are 5C2. So total number of ways of selecting 2 boys and 2 girls is 3C2, which is 3, and 5C2, which is 10. It is 30. So probability is number of favorable cases divided by total number of sample space, which is 3 by 7. Answer of first question for today is 3 by 7. Everyone, tell me who all gave the answer correctly. Write in chat box, sir. Me. Come on. How many of you could do this correctly and have got marks? Perfect. Let's move ahead. Question on indefinite integration. Question on indefinite integration. Let's do this question on indefinite integration. Come on, yes, bacho. Cos 2x, 2 sin square x, cos square x. Do you remember the formula of cos 2x? Do you remember the formula of cos 2x? Come on. There are multiple formulae of cos 2x. We will use, you can use any one formula. Cos square x minus sin square x, it is one formula. 1 minus 2 sin square x is another formula. You can use any one of them. You can use any one of them. Okay. 1 plus 2 cos square x is another formula. Very good, Vasant. You can use even that also. I love to use this formula. So let me use this. Here, in this question, I would like to use this. It will reduce one step. Rest all is same. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Very good. I can see many students giving the answer. This is what I want from you. Giving the answer before me. I will give you ample time to think always in the question. So this integration is 1 by cos square x dx, which is integral secant square x. And we all remember integral secant square x is tan x plus constant of integration. Do not forget to write this C, otherwise your half mark will be deducted. Okay, let's write full tan x plus C. But as I told you in last session also, marks given in CBSE exam are very lenient. If you find the answer correctly and you have written ample steps, not many, not less, then you will be able to get complete marks. Okay, you will get full marks for sure. I'm so proud of you. Let's move ahead. Next question. Which chapter? First tell me the chapter. Area bounded by the curves. Yeah, area under the curve. Okay. Prove that the area bounded by this parabola and these two lines is 5a square by 3. Okay, this is a very standard parabola. Application of integration, perfect. Very standard parabola whose graph is like this. This is origin and there are two lines, x equals to a and x equals to 2a. We have to find the area bounded in between these two curves. That is, we have to find this full area. Clear? Is this clear? So what we will do, area is integral y dx, okay, where x varies from a to 2a, into integral y dx will give me this area, only upper. Upper area will be integral y dx. So what I will do is, I will multiply this area by 2. To find full area, I will multiply this area by 2. Area required is 2 times integral y dx, where x varies from, okay, perfect, a to 4a, not 2a, a to 4a. Very good. So this shows that you have to read the question carefully and you have to be on your toes always. Okay, what is y? Y will be square root of 4ax. That is 2 times square root ax. Yeah, 2 root a times square root x. Perfect. So area is 2 times integral a to 4a, 2 root a times square root x dx, which is 4 root a. Now integral root x dx is x raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Limits are a to 4. So area becomes 8 by 3 root a x raised to power 3 by 2 upon x raised to power 3 by 2. Limits are a to 4. Clear? So area is 8 by 3 root a into 4a raised to power 3 by 2 minus a raised to power 3 by 2. Clear? Perfect. So 4 raised to power 3 by 2 is 4 raised to power 3 by 2. 4 का square root 2, 2 का cube 8. 8 into a raised to power 3 by 2 minus a raised to power 3 by 2, which is 8 by 3 root a into 7 times a raised to power 3 by 2, which is 56 by 3. Square root a into a raised to power 3 by 2 is a. Now tell me, are you able to solve it? Understood everything clearly? Yes. Come on students, give me a loud yes sir. Say sir, I am enjoying this sir, maza aa gaya sir, all good sir. You understood all this? See what happens, area questions are always easy to solve, but there is only one place where students get stuck, that is calculations while putting the limits. So you have to pay attention while doing calculations, and while putting the limits you have to pay little bit of extra effort so that there is no mistake. Rest all is easy, you will surely get good marks. Okay, let us move ahead. Next question. Okay, read the question. Read the question. Chapter, which chapter? A and B are 2 points. Find the ratio in which YZ plane divides AB. 3D geometry. Perfect. So this is a YZ plane. Some students are saying, sir, use pen, sir. What are you doing, sir? Okay, I will try to use pen. So this is a plane. There are 2 points, A and B. This is the point where YZ plane cuts this line. Deleted portion. What is deleted in this? Simple section formula. Section formula. It's not a question of planes. It is not a question of planes, students. It is a question of section formula. Okay, don't think there is no plane involved in this. This is just section formula. Why? On YZ plane, simple, this you need to understand. X coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. Just on YZ plane, X coordinate is 0. Understood? On YZ plane, X coordinate is 0. So A point is minus 3, 4, minus 8. B point is 5, minus 6, 4. Let the ratio be K ratio 1. So point C has to be, by section formula, 5K minus 3 upon K plus 1, comma, minus 6K plus 4 upon K plus 1, comma, by section formula, simple, 4K minus 8 upon K. We have to find this ratio, K ratio 1. Better, this is not a question of planes. No? Now, because C point lies on YZ plane, so X coordinate is 0. 5K minus 3 upon K has to be 0, which means 5K equals to 3, K equals to 3. This question is on section formula, not deleted. Simple. Okay, you can very easily solve. Find the ratio, K ratio 1. Let the ratio be K ratio 1. Find the point. Do X coordinate equals to 0. You will get the answer. On Y, the next coordinate is 0. This is not a deleted topic. Okay. Come on. Yes, sir. Done, sir. Understood, sir. Come on. Yes. Beta, this is not a question on plane. Planes are deleted. Ashwin, this is not a question on plane. But we move ahead. Perfect. Ratio 5, simple. Come on, question on functions, range of a function. Range of a function. X square minus 4x plus 5. X square minus 4x plus 5. Now, do you know how to complete whole square? Yes, you know. We have studied the same in integration, also completing whole square. Do you remember? Yes, completing whole square. Yes, sir, we remember, sir. So, take half the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2 minus 4. Take half the coefficient of x minus 2. So, add 2 ka square and subtract 2 ka square. This becomes x minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, 1 plus a whole square. Whole square is always non-negative. It can never be negative. Whole square can never be negative. If you add a non-negative number to 1, value will always be greater than 1 or less than 1. If you add a non-negative number to 1, value will always be, write in chat box, come on, greater than 1. So fx will be 1 plus something, so fx will be greater than 1. Perfectly correct. Fx will be greater than 1. So fx minimum will be 1 plus 0, that is 1, when x equals to 2. Fx maximum will go towards infinite. Fx maximum approaches towards infinite. So range of fx is 1 to infinite. Minimum value is fx equals to 1 when x is 2. Maximum value is infinite. Range is 1 to infinity. Clear? Everyone understood? Simple completion of whole square. Whenever you get your quadratic complete whole square, you will be able to fill the question very easily. Okay? Complete whole square, see the domain, question will be done. This is not with discriminant 0, Vasant. Discriminant greater than 0 we do for linear upon quadratic or quadratic upon quadratic. It is only quadratic. We need not do any discriminant greater than 0 here. Simple completion of whole square only. Okay. See the question. Read the question. Find the value of a for such that this function is continuous. Find the value of a such that this function is continuous. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on. Question is on continuity and derivability. Easy. Continuity. Function is continuous when, come on, left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. For fx to be continuous, limit x tending to 2 minus fx should be equal to limit tending to 2 plus fx should be equal to a. X tending to 2 minus means when x is less than 2, function will be 2x minus 1. This is absolutely clear to you. And when x is greater than 2, function will be x plus 1. And this must be equal to a. So when x is 2, just less than 2, value is 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Left hand limit is 3, right hand limit 2 plus 1, 3. So a must be equal to 3 for function to be continuous. Simple, easy question. Every one of you have done correct. Very good. If by any chance it comes out to be left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, say left hand limit 3 and right hand limit 5, then you can directly say that function can never be continuous. Answer will be no value of a. In that case, if left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Hence, we have to check both left hand limit, right hand limit and value of function, all three, and then equate them. Okay? Very good. Anuj, write your doubt in chat box. I will try to help. Okay? Come on, read the question. Read the question. Feel, tell me the chapter. All Vedans Come on. You are lovely Vedantu students. You know what this chapter is all about. Yes, chapter 1, relations. Perfect. And how many times you have done this question? How many times you have done this question? Lot of times, sir. Sir, this is my favorite and easiest question, sir. Yes. And if this comes in CBSE exam, will you be happy? Super happy? Yes, sir. Super duper happy, sir. So we have to prove that this relation is equivalence relation. What is this relation? See carefully. T is set of all the triangles in plane. T is set of all the triangles, and R is a relation which contains T1 ratio T1 comma T2 if T1 is similar to T2. R contains T1 comma T2 if T1 is similar to T2. Now we have to prove that R is equivalence relation. For R to be equivalence relation, R must be reflexive, R must be symmetric, R must be transitive. So, first thing, we have to prove R is reflexive. Now, we know that every triangle is similar to itself. Every triangle is similar to itself, yes or no? Every triangle is similar to itself. So T ratio T, hence T comma T belongs to R. This implies R is reflexive. Because every triangle is similar to itself, T comma T always belongs to R. Hence, R is always reflexive. First thing is done. Second thing, what is second thing that we need to prove? We need to prove symmetry. Now, if T1 is similar to T2, then T2 is similar to T1. T1 and T2 are similar means both are similar. Means T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T1. Yes or no? Yes. So, if T1 comma T2 belongs to R, then T2 comma T1 also belongs to R. This implies R is symmetric. See, symmetric spelling are correct or not? Correct hai sir, correct hai. Yes? Understood? Yes sir. Amazing sir. God bless you sir. Maza aa gaya sir. Jai Mata Di. Now, third thing, we have to prove that it is transitive also. Transitive. Now let's prove that this relation is transitive. Now, let T1 comma T2 belongs to R and T2 comma T3 belongs to R. Means T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3. This implies T1 is similar to T3, which implies T1 comma T3 belongs to R. So if T1 comma T2 belongs to R and T2 comma T3 belongs to R, then T1 comma T3 should belongs to R. Hence this relation is transitive also. Hence it is perfectly clear that this relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it is equivalence relation. Understood? This is how you need to write. First prove reflexive, then symmetric, then transitive, then write because this relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Hence this relation is equivalence relation. Let's move ahead. Guys, always remember one thing. While doing over explanation, you keep on writing so many things, then you are not able to complete the paper. Make sure that you complete the, okay? Sure, Sundar, I will ask someone to share the PDF after the session. Okay, let's move ahead. Don't over explain, complete the exam. This is one very important thing. Cos x is missing here. Cos x upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole cube. How many of you have done this question? How many of you have done this question already before? See, the trick here is, in denominator you can see half angles, in numerator you see full angle. So what we will do here is, we will make half angles in numerator also. So what we will use, cos x equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Is this formula clear to you? Cos x equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Is this formula clear to you? Perfect. So using this formula is cos square x by 2 minus sin square by 2 on now cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, apply a square minus b square. It is a minus b into a minus b into a plus b. Now you can clearly see in numerator we have got cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, which is somewhere like derivative of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Put cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 equals to t. So you will get dt is equals to half minus half sin x by 2 plus half cos x by 2. So into dx. This is, so dt, 2dt is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. 2dt is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 dx. Hence question done. This integration reduces to integral 2 dt upon t square. What is integration of 1 by t square? Minus 1 by t. So it is minus 2 by t plus c. So minus 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. From where did we get this hint that we have to do by this method? Because in denominator we have got x by 2, numerator x. So we break numerator x into x by 2 only and question is done. Absorb this, absorb this. Come on, we will not stop. We will keep on doing, okay? And it's we who are doing. We means you and me, you and Vedantu, okay? You don't have to stop. You sit straight, keep your spine straight, keep your pen flowing on your notebook and solve the questions properly as you are solving in your final board exam, okay? Don't stop. Let's do next question. Let's not waste time. Prove that this function is 1 function. Prove that this function is 1 function in this interval. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Before doing this, do you remember the graph of sin x? Do you remember this graph of sin x? Yes, sir. We remember the graph of sin x. Sure, Marvel, sure. I will send the PDF after the class. This is the graph of sin x. But if I delete this portion and this portion, and I only talk about graph from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, it is always increasing 1, 1. Sin x is 1, 1 in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This you know. Sin x is 1, 1 in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Yes or no? Better differentiation method, Vasant, is generally not appreciated in CBSE. So we do not apply differentiation method in CBSE, okay? For 1, 1 many 1 functions. Okay. Sin x is 1, 1 in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now, a sin x plus b cos x. You remember a sin x plus b cos x? How do we simplify this? A sin x plus b cos x by multiplying and dividing by under root of a square plus b square. How do we simplify by a sin x plus b cos x? By multiplying and dividing by under root of a square plus b. So this is what we will do. Square root of a square plus b square. Square root 10. So multiply and divide by square root 10. So fx becomes this is what? Take this as cos theta and this is sin theta. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of 2x minus theta plus 4. Sin of 2x minus theta plus 4. Yes or no? Okay, you can't understand. Rahul says he can't understand. He wants some other method. Rahul, second method. I will show you second method also by differentiation. Okay, just give me a moment. So this is like, now what? How to proceed further? What is theta? Theta is tan theta is 1 by 3. Theta is tan inverse 3. Now 2x belongs to minus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Because x lies in this interval. 2x minus theta belongs to minus pi by 3 minus tan inverse 3, comma 2 pi by 3 minus tan inverse. Perfect. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यार. A sin x plus b cos x root 9 plus 1 root 10. ठीक है. Tan theta 1 by 3 है. Tan theta is 1 by 3 sin a cos b minus cos a sin b sin of a minus b. Perfect है. 1 by 3. मैं इतने देर से देखे जा रहा हूँ ना. I was doing correct, just wrote 1 by 3. ये 1 by 3 है. Sorry, tan inverse 1 by 3. Now you can clearly see tan inverse 1 by 3 जो है, it is less than 30 degrees. So 2x minus theta is subset of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, sine is 1 function, hence this will be 1 function. This implies fx is 1. Because you have seen that 2x minus theta belongs to minus minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, hence function is increasing in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, hence it is 1 function. Second method here is, as Vasant asked already, sir, can I differentiate it? Yes, you can differentiate it. Okay, if you are not able to solve, differentiate. Generally it is accepted, some it is not appreciated. So if you are not able to solve by other method, you can always use differentiation. 6 cos 2x plus sine 2 sine 2x. This is derivative, which is now in minus pi by 6 to pi by 6, 2x belongs minus pi by 6 to pi by 3. 2x belongs to minus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. 2x belongs to minus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Score अंडर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करो. 36 प्लस 4 रूट 40. सेम थिंग है, रूट 40 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सेम चीज ही आएगी. Same method, just different way of writing. Okay, root 40 times cos 2x into 3 by root 10 plus sin 2x into 1 by root 10. Cos है cos b plus sin है sin b. Cos of a minus b. Again, when 2x minus theta is subset of या belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, cos is positive in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, hence f dash x is positive. Dash x is positive means function is increasing. Always increasing function is 1 function. This second method. Actually, one and the same thing. What you have to do is you have to make this as 2x minus theta and show that 2x minus theta lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Beta, okay. A sin x plus b cos x. To simplify, in single sine or single cos, you multiply and divide by under root of a square plus b square. Like this. Let's not spend over time on this question. This is very important. If you are not able to solve a question, come on, leave it, move on, we will always come back. Okay? If you are not able to solve a question, leave it, we can always come back. Weber, if you do by put f of x1 equals to f of x2, this question will become super lengthy, super tough. You won't be able to do. You won't be able to do by f of x1 equals to f of x2 here. Oh. Question will become easy to solve if you replace 3 by root 3. Question will become super easy to solve because angle will then not be tan inverse 1 by 3, it will be tan inverse 1 by root 3, which is 30 degree. So you replace this by root 3, question will become super easy to solve. ठीक है, root 3 होना चाहिए. They have solved it by root 3. चलो, let's move ahead. Very good. Very good. Because of this, we have understood something more. Come on. Probability of A 2 by 5, probability of B 3 by 10, probability of A intersection B 1 by 5. First make Venn diagram and find all the probabilities. बेटा ऑलवेज इंक्रीजिंग भी 1 1 होते हैं, ऑलवेज डिक्रीजिंग भी 1 1 होते हैं. Which increase and decrease both they are many 1. Okay, always increasing are 1 1 in context to last question. Always decreasing are also 1 1. Which increase and decrease both are many 1. Okay. This is A, this is B. A intersection B 1 by 5. Everything I am writing with denominator 10. This is 2 by 10. Probability of A is 2 by 5, which is 4 by 10. Total, this is 2 by 10, hence probability of only A occurring, B not occurring will be 2. Probability of B is 3 by 10, so only B occurring will be 1 minus 2 by 10, that is, 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10, 1 by 10. Itna clear hai? 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10. What will be outside? Outside will be 5 by 10. Now we have to find probability of A naught given B naught, which is probability of A naught intersection B naught upon probability of B. A naught intersection B naught means neither A occurring nor B occurring. This area here is probability of A naught intersection B naught. Which is 5 by 10. Probability of B naught is 1 minus probability of B. 1 minus 3 by 10, that is 7 by 10. Okay, what we have done is we have find probability of A naught intersection B naught divided by probability of B naught. How we have found probability of A naught intersection B naught? By making the Venn diagram and finding all the probability. Are you able to do it? Come on, say warriors. Yes sir, we are ready for this exam sir. And everyone sit straight, keep on solving the question, and wherever you get stuck, take a deep breath in, exhale, and read the question again and start. Okay, answers are always in between the question only. Perfect. Question on vectors. A, B, C are unit vectors. Plus B plus C is 0. Write the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. A, B, C are unit vectors. A plus B plus C is 0. Find the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot. Now, A plus B plus C is Z का whole square will be 0 only. 0 का square 0. What is A plus B plus C का whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Now A square means mod A square. A square and mod A square same होते हैं. So A, B, C are unit vectors. So mod A square is 1, mod B square is 1, mod C square is 1. 2 times A dot B. Simple question. Easy answer. Good marks. Understood? Yes, sir. We are super ready, sir. We can do all these questions, sir. Understood? Yes, 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 yes. Done, sir. We love you, sir. Let's move ahead. God bless students. God bless Vedantu. God bless teachers. Differential equations. Easy question. Dy by dx equals to 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square. Very important question. Okay, this factorization have come in exams many times, and it can certainly be repeated in your exam. Which factorization I am talking about? Pay attention. It is 1 plus a plus b plus ab. Factorization is take b common, 1 plus, take 1 plus a common. It is not homogeneous, by the way. This factorization is important. को लर्न करके रखो, कभी भी काम में आ सकते हैं. This is not homogeneous. Degree 0, degree 2, degree 2, degree 4. Learn this factorization. Learned? Yes sir. आज के बाद नहीं भूलेंगे sir. This is in my heart. I will never forget this factorization now. Okay. We will directly separate the variables. How? dy by dx equals to 1 plus x square. Take y square common, 1 plus x square. Take 1 plus x square common. Bring 1 plus y square in denominator. Integrate both sides. Tan inverse y equals to x plus x cube by 3 plus c. When y is 1, x is 0, put x equals to 0, y equals to 1, 0 comma 1, put 0 comma 1, put 0 comma 1, put 0 comma 1. Yes. Tan inverse 1 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus 3. So pi by 4 is equals to 3. Hence, tan inverse y equals to x plus x cube by 3. This is the final answer. Tan inverse y equals to x plus x cube by 3 plus pi by 4. Not c. We need to eliminate c. We are given that y is 1 when x equal to 0. Kingdom, you are doing very good, very correct. I love you, baby. Just complete the solution, okay? If you forget the C, they will deduct the marks. Say this is a 4-mark question. If you forget the C, you will get 3 marks. Okay? So read the question till the end and do not forget anything. You are Vedantu students. You have to do each and everything correctly and get full marks. See, the target written is full marks. Okay? Yes, sir. We are ready, sir. Sit straight. Come on. Clap for yourself. Take a deep breath and let's do next question. Fx is increasing. You have to find the interval for which fx is increasing. Monotonicity. Question is on monotonicity. Increasing, decreasing functions. First, we need to find what? Come on. We have to find where function is increasing. For that, first we need to find. Come on, speak. Speak. Are you speaking loudly while sitting? First, we need to find derivative of f dash, which is 3 by 10 into 4x cube minus 4 by 5 into 3x square minus 6x plus 36 by 5. Take 6 by 5 common. This comes out to be x cube. This comes out to be 2x square. This comes out to be 5x plus 6. Now, यहाँ तक तो easy था. Till here it was easy. Now we need to find critical points where derivative is 0, or we need to factorize this cubic. Cubic factorization we always do by hit and trial method or trial and error method. If I put x equals to 0, nahi, satisfy nahi karna. What x? Perfect. Vasant has done it, and lovely Vasant. I love you for this. X equals to 1 satisfies this. implies x minus 1 is a factor. And you do long division also. Long division कर लोगे. X square, x cube minus x square minus x square minus 5x plus minus x minus 6 Got it? Will you be able to do this? Generally, I do not do this, okay? I ask students to complete after this. But for you, I have put extra effort. एक thank you बनता है. हाँ, 6/5 into make factors x minus 2 minus x minus 2 into x plus 3. X minus 3 into x plus 2. And now f dash x we have found 6/5 x minus 1 x minus 3 x plus 2. Now it's just wavy curve. Simple. Okay, that is, I hope you know that this. Minus 2 1 3. Find critical points. Most right put plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. For increasing, you have to tell where f dash x is positive. It is positive in minus 2 to 1 union 3 to infinity. So function is increasing in this range. For function to be increasing, f dash x has to be positive. Now, how to find critical points? Most right plus, then minus plus minus alternate. Then you write wherever function this was positive. So in this range, derivative will be positive, function will be increasing. I hope you are enjoying the session. Everyone sit straight, keep on solving. Understood, right? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Then we will move forward to next question. Application of derivatives we have done, 3D we have done, vectors question we have done, probability question we have done, continuity question we have done, relations we have done, functions we have done. So we are doing all the chapters like in final question, final paper. Let's move ahead. Find the point on this curve where tangent is parallel to the chord. Where tangent is parallel to the chord. Slope of chord. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is 1. Slope of tangent. dy by dx. It is 2 into x minus 3. Slope of tangent equals to slope of chord. No baby, this is not. This is simple tangent normal. सब कुछ ऐसे सोच के मत छोड़ के आओ, सिलेबस में नहीं है. Don't leave everything by thinking it is not in syllabus. It is simple tangent normal. It is not mean value theorem. Tangent normal also deleted. Mean value theorem also deleted. What are you doing? Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, how about maxima minima? How about maxima minima? Is this related or not? It is not related, sir. And it's a very, very, very important chapter, sir. So will you try this question yourself? Read the question. Read the question. Come on, my students, my favorite students. This is a very important chapter, and 6 marks, 5-mark questions are asked in this. Solve it. Read it, solve it. Yes, lovely students will solve this question. Show that the height of a closed cylinder of a given surface area. Closed. First thing is closed cylinder. Surface area constant है 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R. Am I correct here? Two pi RH plus 2 pi R square is the surface area. This is constant. You have to maximize the volume. Yes or no? Surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. H is, find H. Volume. Put the value of H. I cancel, R cancel. R S by 2 minus. This is volume with respect to radius. Okay. Now what is dV by dr? It is S by 2 minus 3 pi R square. Put dV by dr equal to 0. S by 2 equals to 3 pi R square. Yeah, R square is S by 3 pi. Okay. R square is S by 6 pi. R square is S by 6 pi. So that height, up now, find the value of height. At when S is 6 pi R square, put here, what will be the height? Height will be 6 pi R square minus 2 pi R square upon 2 pi R. H is 4 pi R square divided by 2 pi R. 2 pi cancel, R cancel, 2R. When dV by dr equals to 0, so not ds by dr. ds by dr to always 0 hai beta. S is always constant. S is given to be constant. So we have done dV by dr 0 because we have to maximize volume. We have to maximize volume, and while doing that, S into derivative of R by 2, which is half only, and pi into derivative of R cube, which is 3R square. Put dV by dr 0, you get equals to 6 pi R. Get S equals to 6 pi R square. Put S equals to 6 pi R square, you get H equals to 2R. This is what we needed to prove. But here question is not complete. Now we have to show that this is point of maxima. For that, you find d square V by dr. Double derivative. D square V by dr square is minus 6 pi R, which is negative. If double derivative is negative, then it is point of maxima. It is point of maxima. डबल डेरिवेटिव नेगेटिव शो करना जरूरी है. इफ यू विल नॉट शो डबल डेरिवेटिव नेगेटिव, you will lose 1 mark. Understood? You always have to show double derivative negative in the end. Okay, come on guys, keep on doing the question. Okay, don't fight with each other. Come on, keep on doing the question. Jai Mata Di, God bless you. Your spine should be straight. I hope you have understood. Should I explain again? Closed cylinder, surface area 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Why 2 pi R square? Pi R square above, pi R square down. Now find height from this. Write volume pi R square H. Put height. You get volume in terms of radius. Do dV by dr. Put it equal to 0. You get S equals to 6 pi R square. When X is 6 pi R square, height is 2R. Now this is what we need to prove. Height equals to diameter. But we have to show this is point of maxima. For this to be point of maxima, we find double derivative. Double derivative is negative, hence it is point of. Done. Very good. Lovely. I am so proud of you guys. Very good question on definite integration. Properties of definite integration. Most important property of definite integration. You add the limits pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 कितना होता है? Pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 कितना होता है? 5. When sum of limits is this easy, then we apply this property. Many people call it King's rule. Which property? Property is integral a to b fx dx is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. Okay, let's solve. Everyone, you solve yourself. First step, let's write whatever is given. X upon 1 plus sin x. A put, replace x by a plus b minus x, that is pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 minus x, that is pi minus x. Replace x by pi minus. When you apply the property, you write that you are using this property. Okay, I'm not writing because I need space. You write on your sheet that you are using this property inside. Now pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Sine of pi minus x is sin x only. Say this is equation 2. This is equation 1. What we do now? Tell me. What is the next step that we do? Everyone tell me, come on, why are you sitting? You solve and tell me what is the next step that we do. We add 1 into 1 plus 2. 2y equals 2. Should I show you or add directly? X plus pi minus x is pi only. Now how to solve this? How to solve this? Multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x. Integration is, take this pi common, bring this 2 in denominator. Multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x. Should I show you or write directly? 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin square x, which is cos square x. 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x. 1 minus cos square x. Okay. 1 minus sin square x, which is cos square x. Now, separate it. Pi by 2 times, okay, integral pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 पाई तो कॉमन ले लिया था ना, पाई यहाँ क्यों लिखा है? 1 by cos square x is secant square x, sin x upon cos square x is secant x tan. Just put the limits. You will complete now. लिमिट्स को ध्यान से पुट करना है. tan x minus secant x. I am not doing after this. Put the limits. You will get the value. Pi by 2 into tan x minus secant x, pi by 4 to 3 pi. Don't forget to put the limits properly. If you do any mistake in putting the limits, you will lose lot of marks here. Generally students do mistake in putting the limits. Limit ध्यान से. Let's check. Pi into root 2 minus 1. Pi into tan x minus secant x, limits pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. When you put the limits, you will get pi into root 2 minus. यहाँ तक तो we did. Exactly same we got. Pi into tan x minus secant x. Limits are pi by 4 to 3 pi. After that, you have to put the limits. Answer is pi into root 2 minus. And this was 2i. I will be pi by 2 into tan x minus secant x. Limits are pi by 4 to 3 pi by. Same thing we found. Okay, let's move ahead. I've told you the technique. We have solved 90%. Limits you can put. हाँ भाई, direction cosines. Direction cosines. Remember, direction ratios of line joining the points. If there is a line which has points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, direction ratios are proportional to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z. Remember this? So for this line, direction ratios will be proportional to 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 3 minus 0, 3. But we have to find direction cosines. So we found magnitude of this. 1 plus 9 plus 9 is square root of 19. Hence direction cosines will be proportional, will be equal to minus 1 by root 19 minus 3 by root 19, 3 by root 19. Or minus times this, yeah, plus minus. This is the answer. Direction cosines. There can be two direction cosines, plus minus, minus 1 by root 19, minus 3 by root 19, 3 by root. Plus minus जरूर put करना है because there are two answers. Otherwise, half mark will be deducted. Pay attention. You have to write two answers. Direction ratios divided by magnitude plus minus. Direction cosines are plus minus direction ratios divided by magnitude of direction. Got it? आप जब तक पढ़ना चाहते हो, till you want to study, I will teach. You tell me till when you want to study. Unit vector only. Perfect. Point of intersection of two straight lines. Come on. Find point of intersection of these two straight lines. Come on. Yes. Don't sit idle. Take your pen. Solve this question quickly. I want to see who will give me this answer first. I will clap for first three students. Come on. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. चलो 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 चलने दो. Yes, direction cosines are not equal, so they can be either intersecting or two lines. Okay, let's find the point of intersection. If we get point of intersection, they will be intersecting. Okay, okay, I will use pen to write. And my writing will be bad only. Either I use pen or my finger or I use anything else. Believe me. Huh? 25 years back, when I was 12 years old, my writing used to be super good. Then I saw that all the doctors had bad writing. And I thought doctors are very intelligent people. So to be intelligent, you need to have bad writing. Hence I spoiled my writing. And after that, I'm never able to correct it. Say this is lambda. So x is 3 lambda minus 1. Y is five lambda minus 3. That is 7 lambda minus. Similarly, for second line, put it equal to mu. X is mu plus 2. Y is 3 mu plus 4. Z is 5 mu plus. Now for these three lines to intersect, equate x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. 3 lambda minus 1 equals to mu plus 2. Hence mu is 3 lambda minus 3. Okay. 5 lambda minus 3 is 3 mu plus 4. Put the value of mu. 5 lambda minus 3 is equals to 9 lambda minus 9 plus 5. Hence 4 lambda is equals to 9 minus 3 6. 6 minus 5 1. Lambda equals to 1 by 4. See, ये correct है क्या? 4 lambda equals to 6 minus 4 1. Correct. Lambda equals to 1 by 4. Put lambda equals to 1 by 4. You get mu equals to 1 by 4 डालो 3 by 4 minus 3. What is 3 by 4 minus 3? 3 by 4 minus 3 is 12 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 3 minus 9 by 4. Correct? Now put this in third equation, that is by equating z coordinate. If lambda is this and mu is this, then z from this equation will be 7 by 4 minus 5 minus 13 by 4. Z from this equation will also be, put mu here, minus 45 by 4. Calculation कहीं तो गड़बड़ हुई है. 7 by 4 minus 5. कहीं तो कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो गई है. लैम्डा म्यू आई हैव फाउंड राइट और रॉन्ग? 3 lambda minus 1 equals to mu plus 2. Perfect. 3 lambda minus 3 is equals to mu, और इधर 5 lambda minus 3 is equal to 3 mu plus 4. Put 9 lambda minus 9. 3 into 9 lambda minus 9. ये lambda आया 1 by 4. Put lambda equals to 1 by 4. lambda को 1 by 4 यहाँ डाल दो. 3 by 4 minus 3. 12 minus 12. लैम्डा म्यू तो करेक्ट है. z के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है इधर से 7 लैम्डा माइनस 5, इधर से 5 म्यू प्लस 6. 5 म्यू 5, 9 5 तो 45 ही होता है, प्लस 6 4 माइनस 45 प्लस 24 1/4, इधर से 7/4 माइनस 5। यार ये तो लाइंस नॉन इंटरसेक्टिंग आ रही हैं, कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कहां पे हुई है? Where did I do calculation mistake? Mu is -3/2 lambda half। अब बोल रहे हो lambda half, आप बोल रहे हो lambda half, 4 lambda ही तो आ रहा है। 5 minus 9 minus 4 4 lambda 9 lambda minus 9 plus 4 था ना? हाँ, तो 4 lambda is equals to 2 lambda half। कितना नालायक हूं मैं, कितना कितना नालायक हूँ, कितना नालायक हूँ। lambda half, put lambda equals to half, 3/2 minus 3 minus 3/2, lambda half म्यू को -3/2, ठीक है। इधर lambda को हाफ डालो, 7/2 minus 5 minus 3/2, यहाँ पे भी डालो, minus 15/2 plus 6, यहाँ पे -3/2, करेक्ट। बिकॉज थर्ड इक्वेशन भी सेटिस्फाई हो गई, दिस लैम्डा एंड म्यू सेटिस्फाइज द थर्ड इक्वेशन, hence line intersect and point of intersection will be, put lambda equals to half, will be 3/2 minus 1, point of intersection 3/2 minus 1 half, है ना? यहाँ पे डाल रहा हूं मैं lambda, 5/2 minus 3 minus half, and यहाँ पे तो डाल दिया -3/2, this will be point of intersection, because on solving two equations, whatever lambda mu we get, it satisfies the third equation, hence these two lines intersect, and point of intersection you put in any one constant, या तो lambda डाल दो या mu डाल दो, you get the point of intersection. I hope you have understood this, okay? And there is scope of calculation error. Do this cleanly so that you don't make mistake, and even if you make mistake, you are able to find it. Let's move ahead. Very good. Let's move ahead. Hare Krishna. Q symmetric matrix. Q symmetric matrix, A equals to A transpose. A equal to minus times A transpose. Aij is equals to minus times Aj, and Aii equals to 0. Aij equals to minus times Aji means A equals to -2, B equals to minus times -3, B equals to. Easy, fast, done. Move ahead. Jai Mata Di. Degree 2, degree 2, degree 2. Differential equation, every term has degree 2. It is homogeneous differential equation. Which differential equation is this? Homogeneous differential equation. Divide by xy. Now Divide numerator and denominator by x square. One x cancel, other x goes inside. Clear? Put y by x equals to v, y equals to vx, dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. When you do it, this differential equation becomes v plus x dv by dx, v square minus square root of 1 plus v square upon v, which is v plus x dv by dx, v minus square root of 1 plus v square upon v. This v cancel. Question done. Rest you can integrate, or should I integrate? You can integrate, or should I integrate? Come on. Minus log x multiply and divide by 2 half 1 plus v square equals to t 2v dv dt dt by root t 2 root t 2 root 1 plus v square. Rest you can complete. Done. Rest you can complete. Let's see the answer. Same answer. हमारा भी same आया था. Exactly same is what we got. Should we move ahead? Yes. A into B का inverse is B inverse into A inverse. What is B inverse? Here we need to find so many components. This is a lengthy question, okay? Lengthy question. Determinant of A minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. Determinant of B 3 minus 2 1. Adjoint A minus 4 2 minus 3 minus 1. Adjoint B 3 1 2. Till here it is okay. Okay, now what is A inverse? It is adjoint A divided by determinant A, which is 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11. Similarly, B inverse is adjoint B upon determinant B, which is 3 2 1 1 only. Now you have to find B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. It is 3 2 1 1 into this. Forgive me if I do any calculation mistake. Do let me know. Multiply, multiply, multiply. First row, first column. 12 plus 2, 14. First row, second column. 9 minus 4, 5. Second row, first column. 5 by 11. Second row, second column. 1. This is B inverse into A inverse. Right side has been found. Half question done. Okay. Yes, sir. We're done with half of the question. Now, First we will find A into B. How to find AB? Is 2, 3, 1, minus 4. B, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3. First row, first column. 2 minus 3, minus 1. First row, second column. Minus 4 plus 9, 5. Okay. First row, second column. 1 plus 4, 5. First row, second column. Minus 2, minus 12, minus 4. What is adjoint of AB? Adjoint of AB. Interchange mean diagonal. Minus 14, minus 1. Change sign of other diagonal. What is determinant of AB? 14 minus 25 minus 11. What is AB ka inverse? Adjoint AB divided by determinant AB. So divide by minus 11. That is 14 by 11, 5 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by. You can clearly see B inverse into A inverse is equals to AB ka inverse. Hence, both are equal. This is what we needed to prove. Hence, proved. Hence, proved. Whenever you do a good question, give a pat on your back. Ooh. Should we move ahead? Next question. Come on, come on, come on. Don't stop. Don't stop. You have got more energy left in you. Keep on doing. Arvind wanted B again. B means B inverse. Arvind, what you want? B inverse or B inverse into AB inverse or AB ka inverse? What you want from me? B inverse, A inverse, B inverse, A inverse, or AB. These are the 4 components which we found. These are the 5 components which we found here. B inverse. Okay. Determinant of B, it is 3 minus 2, 1. Adjoint of B, how to find? Just interchange the diagonal elements, P, 1, and change sign of other two. So what is B inverse? Adjoint B upon determinant B. So divide adjoint by 1, which is same only. 3 by 1, 2 by 1, 1 by 1, 1. Got it, Arvind? See, I am from North India. Students, I am from Punjab, Patiala, Punjab. I understand Hindi, English, Punjabi, and little bit of Sanskrit. Rest, I do not understand anything. So you also please speak to me in those languages only. Otherwise, if we meet someday, you can teach me whatever language you speak. I would love to listen and learn. Now we are studying maths. Your maths exam is tomorrow. You all are geared up. You all are prepared. We are doing practice of short questions. The questions which have immense capability of coming in exams. So keep on solving. Don't slow down. A super easy question. One. Super easy question. Let's not waste your time. Come on. Although this is also easy. Find the curve passing through 1, 1 and satisfying dy by dx is 2y upon x. Directly variable separable. dy by y. Two dx by x. Integrate log y is equal to 2 log x plus 3. Put 1, 1. log 1 is equals to 2 log 1. Log 1 is 0. C is 0. Because C is 0, things are very easy. Log y is 2 log x. Log y is log of x is to power 2. Bring 2 in power of x. Y equals to log y is log of x square, hence y equals to, the curve is simple, super simple, parabola, upward parabola. Done. Come on, solve this differential equation. Solve this differential equation. Y of 0 is 0. You solve it yourself. I'm drinking water, you solve it yourself. Come on. Divide by 1 plus x square, dy by dx dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p is 2x upon 1 plus x square, q is 4x square upon 1. Integrating factor is e raised to power integral 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Put 1 plus x square equals to t, 2x dx dt, dt by t log mod t. E raised to power log 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x square. Now solve. Answer is simple. Y into integrating factor is equals to integral q into integrating factor. 1 plus x square gets cancelled. Y into 1 plus x square, 4x cube by 3 plus. To find C, do not forget we are given initial condition that at x equals to 0, y is 0. Put x 0 and y 0, 0 into 1 plus 0. So we get C equals to 0. This is the curve. Some students are saying they need formula revision. I will try. Although my evening is fully occupied, I will try. Let me see what I can do. Okay. You can sing, yes. Better you write answer like this. This answer looks more promising and beautiful. You single out y on one side. Okay, let's move ahead. Find the point where tangent to this curve meets x-axis. Tangent normal not in syllabus. Let's move ahead. Out of, now read the question carefully. This question is of probability. This question is of probability. Out of 100 men, 5 men are good orators. Out of 1,000 women, 25 women are good orators. Okay. Assuming there are equal number of men and women, find the probability of choosing a good orator. Probability of choosing a good orator. Good orator. Probability of good orator, it is either you will choose men and then you will choose good orator, or you will choose women and you will choose good orator. Probability of choosing men, it is half, and if it is men, then probability that he is good orator is 5/100. Probability of choosing woman is again half, and if it is woman, probability that she is good orator is 25/1000. Total probabilities from probability of selecting a man and then probability of selecting a good orator, plus probability of selecting a woman and then probability of selecting a good orator. So calculation you will do, cancel by 5, 25 is 100, 1 by 40, cancel by 25 only, 25 for the 100, maybe 40 आएगा, plus 1 by 80, so it is 3 by. Probability of choosing a good orator is, if you select a person randomly, probability that he is a good orator is 3/80. Check. 3/80, same answer. Guys, I hope you liked the session. Okay. I'm ending the session right now. I loved teaching you. It was a great interaction and you were super amazing. You were doing questions at a very good speed, sitting properly, and in very few my YT sessions I have seen students to be so much interactive. God bless you. May this willingness, this effort translates into marks. I'm super sure God will bless you with super good marks. Keep up the good work. Whole day solve at least 100 more questions today, okay, and you will do super good tomorrow. Do not worry about formulae, etc. Believe me, students just before day of exam feel that they don't remember the formulae, but formulae are always there in subconscious mind. When you start solving questions, formulae come in conscious mind and you are able to solve. So don't worry about formulae, don't worry about anything, just stay happy, stay calm and solve the questions. You will be able to do well. God bless you. Thank you for coming to the session today. God bless you again, and you were super duper and you will surely get best marks. You know, 100 out of 100, 80 out of 80, 79 out of 80, whatever you dream of, you will get them. This is from my side for being super responsive in the class. Jai Mata Di. Bye-bye. Take care.